Right, so nearly finished making our beehive. The last thing we've got to do is make a stand for it to stand on. I want them to be about 16 inches off the ground, maybe, yeah, somewhere around that. I'm going to make a double hive stand so I can put 2 on it. I'm going to use some 4x2 and I'm going to make it a folding one because I've got a new apiary site which is going to be really, really nice to use, and I think it'll be really good to have some bees there as well as here. Kind of spread the risk a little bit, get some different flavored honey. It could be really good fun. What I want is enough space for the hive to be stepped in slightly, so I've got somewhere to hang frame should I want to. So about 6 inches in. Then we've got our 460 unit of a beehive, and then I want enough space in between there to be more than 460, so that when I'm doing an inspection, I can put the roof down and other stuff in between. So I'm going to do these about 8 foot long. Okay, we've got plenty of space. An 8 foot one with 2 hives on, I'd be fine. If it comes to it, could probably fit a third in the middle as well, but we'll see how things go, or a nuke or something like that. So, I'm going to cut this down 8 foot. I'm going to make ourselves a little ladder frame of 460. Right, so let's get cutting this. Let's say 8 foot, probably 2.4 meters. Because these will be 4/8, not 16 foots. Because when it comes to imperial and metric, this country's a mess. Let it go, guys. Let it go. Metric's better. Okay, then we want 460 in between. We want quite a few of these. So that's going to be 370. We're going to cut those. Next lot, 370. We're going to want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll do 6. We'll mark this up as we go. So we've got the 6 inches in, or 150, and that'll be 1 there on the inside of that, and then from there, roughly 460, and that'll be on that side. And we'll do the same from the other side now. We've got 2 more in the middle then, should we want to put another hive in the middle of it all. Let's get some 4-inch screws for this. Now this is definitely easier than building a beehive. Okay, now I need to make some legs. So the legs are going on the outside. Let's cut one about 2 foot, just to try. And a little bit like a sawhorse, I'm going to want it to go out pretty much level with the end there, okay? And we're going to have that about there. So we're only going to guess it. That doesn't look far off to me. I reckon about that kind of angle. Degrees. Very imprecise way of measuring this, but I work it a little bit higher because I'm quite tall. My girls are a little bit shorter. This is going to be the out apiary, so I don't know how much they're going to be doing. So I'm thinking we'd have about 18 inches, something like that. We'll cut this one, see what it looks like. Right, so we need 4 of them, and then 4, which will take it from this outside point to an outside point on the other leg as well. So we need 4 of those as well to kind of make the little legs up. So let's cut those up. I need to get some more out of the shed, and it is absolutely tipping it down. going to make the legs now. We have one piece near the bottom, but not on the bottom, and then one piece up near the top. To be honest, I probably could have gone for 2x2 for this. Might be a bit overkill. So if we go, say 70mm up. Okay, now the job is to find that point really. Let's go a little bit more. We just mark a hole in the middle of this, somewhere near the middle anyway. And the same in this as well. Now what we've got, come over here, have a look. Got some nice chunkable coach bolts to go through. They are, I think, 12mm. Now this isn't going to be perfect, it's not in the pillar drill. But be somewhere near. We'll make it work. Need to do the same on the other side now. Put a locking nut on this. A 19mm spanner. Got one of these great ratchet spanners. There we go. Okay, this is definitely where I could have gone with a bit of lighter timber, but I've cut the 4x2 now, so might as well go in. So these ones will go here to stop the legs going down too far. So if we mark it up like that, then we fold it over. We should be able to do the same for both. Fold this one over as well. There is a bit of twist in my timber, so I'm not saying it's going to sit perfectly flat to start with. Okay, so let's try it out. It is absolutely chucking it down. I will try it outside later. Let's try it inside for now. Move my stuff out of the way. And we're good. Fold open these legs. That's tight. This side too. Bit like a sawhorse. Solid as a rock. Let's go put it up outside tomorrow. Okay, so there we go. The Hive stand is made. Really pleased with this. Nice and big. Got plenty of space to work on there. Can fit 3 hives comfortably, but also can have 2, one either side, and allow you to work on in the middle of them. Also, bit I wanted. It takes my frames, so you can put a frame or 2 down there as you're sorting through the hive, not having to put them on the floor, which I would absolutely hate to do. So it kind of keeps it up and rested away. And like I said, enough space in the middle to do that. Folds up as well, so easier to get to site. If you've enjoyed this, you might enjoy some of my other videos on making beekeeping equipment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.